Then you have the Tupperware, like gallon jug. Am I doing it again? Auntie Lissers is drinking from the trash can. Auntie Lissers here today with another temu haul. I'm having so much fun playing around with this hair. I've got that coming up in the next video. If you like hair, subscribe. But today I've got a small temu haul. I've got cleaning and organizing supplies. We're going to see if I've got some cleaning products in here that can help me clean my floor. Too much stuff, not enough space. And Temu is on the rescue to help me organize, and it doesn't break the bank. Have just about anything you can think of. Even my shelf here, they have that. Pink lamp, oh, they got you. So online shopping is made easy with Temu's app. If you haven't already, download that app. First time users, you're going to get a coupon bundle. Even if you shopped Temu before, use my code. Put it in the search bar, ACK035973. That'll get you another coupon bundle. I'll be sure and leave my code in the comments below and in the description box. So Temu's links will be in both sections, so it'll be easy for you to find. And a quick little reminder, before you check out, make sure you look at them lightning deals and them flash sales on that app. But no further ado, let's get in here and let's see what we got. So my package today is just bigger than it looks. I don't have a lot of items in here, but for what I do have in here, I'm very happy about it. All right, we got a box coming in first. Let's, I'm gonna hold this one off. First off, this kind of doesn't go with this, but I needed a new pair of house shoes back. So let's take a look at these. And I don't have my toenails done, so when I put a picture of here what they look like on, just ignore my toes. I can't wait another week to put the video up, but that's what they look like. They're nice and padded here, and they're pink. Let's see how they feel when I put them on. They feel like waffle fries. But I like them very much. They're comfortable. I can never have enough house shoes around. People that live on tile floors, they understand. All right, my next item here, I got one of these big brushes. And it comes in 4 pieces. And it's one of these long ones. So, like I said before, I've got a tile floor. I've got a
lot of it. So, if you've been with me for a while, one of my first videos that I made, well, it wasn't the first one, but it was up there, look. It was up there. I had cleaned the floor by hand, so we don't like to do that anymore.
So, I'm going to put this together. Well, I guess I should show you. Okay, so that, I'm going to push that in there. And I'm going to push this one in here. And then we're going to put the last one on. There we go. So now, we've got this big old brush. The bristles are strong, so that's good. Well, let's take a look at this and see how it works. Boop. No more getting on my hands and knees. This brush is going to make cleaning floors easy. And with this broom's special designed head, it's able to get into cracks and crevices a normal brush just can't reach. And it's great for cleaning ceiling fans. And this brush is great to use for hard to reach places. And our next item. I have had this in and out of my cart since I have been shopping at Temu. More items I got to put together. So this is what this looks like. It's a shoe rack. And you can see, comes with 5, 6, 7, 8 of these. And then we've got these liners. And then we've got this. These 2 things. So let's put this together. And we'll see how this works.
And assembling the shoe rack was such a breeze. I always look at stuff and it's harder than it looks. But you just basically take the metal pipes, you put them through the holes in the cloth. Then you'll just push those metal pipes into the holes on the shoe rack sides. Then you'll do the same thing on the top of it or on that side. And then you just push those in. You have to push them in pretty firmly, but it's easy. And voila, there you go. There's your shoe rack, ready to go.
Very excited about my next item. I've been using a dollar store trash can. And it's gray. Can't have that. I've been here too long too. Thank you, Temu. They sent me a pink trash can. I love Temu. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I love it. It's perfect. What is going on here? It's just a little trash can tape. Oh. Get you over here where you can see this. It's pretty. Come on, fit on there. There you go. There. It's like Tupperware. Remember back in the day? Well, some of you might. When you had the Tupperware with like a gallon jug. Am I doing it again? Now Annie Lissers is drinking from the trash can. A little slot here where you could just toss something in here. I love it. I need some trash can liners for it. I love this. I'm gonna get another one for husband's bathroom. I don't like the dollar store. Oh, you got one, another little hole here. So let's take a look at it inside. So you got a nice big, yeah. You can just fill it full of lemonade and there you go.
See, this matches my shower curtain perfectly. I love it.
Last one. The reason I'm so excited for this, I really had no expectations of it, but after I ordered it, I started looking at the reviews on it, and everybody was like, yeah, this thing is great. So, we're going to test this thing out and see if it works. I'm just overblown with my pink trash can. It matches my pink shoes. So I got this broom. Look at it. It kind of looks like Bob. That's my electric vacuum cleaner. Or that's my robot. We call him Bob. Oh, here's more stuff to put stuff together. All right. And you've got directions. Hand push sweeper manual book. Why use the sweeper? Hand push sweeper is a special sweeper that lets you reach areas in your home that are otherwise off limits to normal brooms. In my case, that is absolutely true. Catching the debris or dirt right off the ground, you can use a sweeper and its special swivel head designed to pick up broken glass. Pet hair. I got lots of that on a daily basis. And I have chihuahuas and they just, it's like owning bears. Anyway, keep your home clean enough to walk around with your bare feet at all time. Never used another normal dustpan again. I absolutely love this broom. Now watch this mop as I just take it over the Doritos. Look how well that picks that up. And they're gone just like that. I definitely recommend this broom. It's going to make my life easier. It doesn't work on carpets, but for laminate, hardwood, tile floors, this thing is a breeze. And then take the dustpan and just remove all your dirt. Look how much that picked up. Well, I had just a little small haul. Reminder, we'll play with hair in our next video. I have more than one wig on. I had a piece for the back, and then I'm like, well, We just kept adding to it. So I've got at least 3 wigs to show you, and I've got more bathing suits coming up. One thing, if you like bathing suits, you're always going to see them here. And I'll do a try-on in the next video of a few of them, the more conservative ones. No one's told you today that they love you. Auntie Lissers loves you so, so much. You have a father up there that loves you even more. What? Yeah? Yeah. Oh, okay. All right, bye. Stevie Nicks, she wants her hair back. Bye for now.
Thanks so much for watching. And you come back real soon.